Alright guys, got this Maytag Bravos dryer, my dryer actually, and just now this thing stopped working. I was doing my laundry. I'm literally only doing the first bit of laundry I have to do today, and the dryer stopped working. How convenient. And the drum spins, but the igniter does not glow and it does not heat up, so it doesn't dry. It just kind of blows air. So I figured I should make a tutorial video while I fix the dryer. So the first step is to turn it off and then unplug it. So you want to shut off the gas. And then you want to take all these screws off that hold on the back panel. Alright guys, got the back panel off and I had to take the duct off to take the panel off. Alright, so next step is to get a multimeter to test these components for continuity to see if they're bad. I suspect that it's this fuse right here, but let's find out. Alright guys, got my multimeter, and how this works is you set it to measure continuity, and if there is a continuous circuit, then it will make a beeping sound like this. It's hard to do it with one hand on camera. It will make a beep. So I'm gonna go over and test all the components, and if one of the components has no continuity, then it's most likely bad and you need to replace it. I'm gonna start with the fuse first because I'm pretty sure that's the one that broke. Alright guys, and just as I suspected, it's the fuse. No continuity. Which is extremely lucky because I just so happen to have a fuse lying around, because I do literally fix appliances as a side hustle. So I just have a bunch of spare parts here. I have for washers and dryers that didn't need the parts but came in a kit, and I just so happened to have a fuse right here. So this is going to be an extremely fast and basically free fix. I mean, it's technically not free because I bought this a while ago, but I didn't buy it right now, so technically for me it's free. And if you don't have a fuse, you can buy these on Amazon. They're about, I don't know, like $10 each. So yeah, for 10 bucks, you can get your dryer up and running again. You don't need to buy a new one. Just buy a new fuse and get it up and running again. Huh? These Ziploc bags, man. They're impossible to open when you have only one hand. There we go. So all I need to do is install a new fuse and it'll start working again. Boom! New fuse on. And this one does have continuity this time. So all I need to do is plug it back in and should be good to go. Alright guys, now that the fuse is installed, all you need to do is just put the back panel on. Boom, back panel back on. All I gotta do now is put the duct back on, plug it in, and hope for the best. Alright guys, put the duct back on, open up the gas. It's open. And fire this bad boy up, hope for the best. Boom, there we go guys, and that fixed it right up. Alright, and so if you have a dryer that's similar to this, like it looks the same, back panel is the same, if it's a Maytag, Whirlpool, Roper, whatever, if it's made by Whirlpool, then your fix is most likely going to be the same. I'd say like 90% of the time, it is just the fuse that's blown, and that's like $10. So please guys, if you have a dryer similar to this and you have a similar issue, try to check out the fuse in the back. It might seem intimidating to open it up, but if a junior in high school can do it, then you can do it. It's really not that hard. Once you just take the back panel off, it should be pretty easy from there. And if you don't have a multimeter, then I don't know, maybe borrow one from a friend, or you could try to buy one. You can try to buy a cheap one. It can be like $20 at Harbor Freight. So yeah, I really suggest you guys try to fix it, because spending $10 plus maybe $20 for a multimeter if you don't have one is a hell of a lot cheaper than buying a new machine. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching.